Hello, welcome to the International Kitchen Project.
Welcome, that's the International Kitchen.
Today we're going to be trying food from people who have cooked all over the world.
I only drank a cup of coffee this morning. I'm expecting potentially some sausage, maybe a potato. So let's see how it's gonna taste.
So I was looking forward to it.
I'm curious about what was the name of it.
It's a mushroom madras. Mushroom curry, mushroom madras.
You said a mushroom masala before.
Oh,
Why did you change
Sorry. Yes, it is a mushroom masala.
I will ask you again.
Vegetables. Is this right? Yeah.
With...
Which vegetables is it?
Oh, you said vegetables, okay.
Sorry, I can repeat vegetables. Vegetables.
Yeah, no, it's right.
Noodles, noodles with vegetables.
Yeah.
Vegetables. And soy sauce. Okay, fine.
Like,
I might be like, oh, nice. Oh, interesting. That sounds so Can we start again?
only drunk. Really? I only drank a cup of tea, a cup of coffee this morning. Oh. Okay, we have to do it again. Deutschland, they're famous for Spätzle or Schnapfnudeln. Did you like it? Oh, this is really nice. Nah. Nein. Oh, this is really nice. What is that? Can you tell me the name, please? Am I allowed to? Yeah. Okay.
So you can ask me questions.
Okay. May I? What was the question?
It's not chicken, but maybe you can guess it when you're trying it. What it really is.
It's vegetarian chicken.
Try it.
Okay. I didn't know what it is.